Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk, where we dive into some of the most exciting innovations in the world of technology. I'm your host, and today we're exploring a fascinating tool called iroh, a cutting-edge API designed for seamless connectivity using public keys. Now, if you've ever tried connecting devices over the internet, you know it can sometimes feel like navigating a maze, right? Well, iroh aims to simplify that journey by establishing the fastest possible connection for you, regardless of where your devices are located. So let's start by breaking down how it actually works. Picture this. You want to connect to someone's device. Instead of bouncing around through various servers, iroh aims to establish a direct connection, like finding a shortcut through that maze. It uses a method known as hole punching to create a direct line between your device and the other person's device. If that doesn't work, it doesn't just give up. It pivots to using a network of public relay servers. Pretty cool, right? What's especially interesting is how iroh is built upon the QUIC protocol. For those who might not be familiar, QUIC is a transport layer network protocol that provides several key advantages, including better security and faster connections. With iroh using QUIC, users benefit from authenticated encryption and can handle multiple streams of data simultaneously without getting the dreaded head-of-line blocking. I think it's safe to say iroh is paving the way for more efficient communication. Now let's talk about something a bit more technical but super essential, the protocols that iroh supports. It features pre-existing protocols, meaning developers can tap into functionalities like blob transfers. Think transferring files ranging from tiny documents to massive terabytes of data without having to create everything from scratch. Who doesn't love building upon something that's already well tested? And for the coding enthusiasts among us, getting started with iroh is a breeze thanks to its Rust library. It's as simple as a few lines of code. Imagine using a code snippet to open a connection and send a message like, "Hello world." It's like you've created a digital conversation in no time. But what if you're not into Rust? No worries. iroh also opens its doors to developers using other programming languages through something called FFI bindings. That just means more people can harness the power of iroh without being locked into one specific coding environment. As we wrap up this dive into iroh, I think it's vital to recognize its potential in enhancing our digital connectivity. It stands out not just for its technical capabilities, but also for its goal of making direct connections easier, which is something we could all benefit from in our ever-connected lives. So before we close today's episode, let me throw out a question for you to ponder. How do you see tools like iroh shaping the future of remote communication? Think about it, and I'd love to hear your insights. Thanks for tuning into Tech Talk. Remember, technology is here to connect us. And with innovations like iroh, the future looks incredibly promising. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.